In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert currency on Wise. If you already have a Wise account set up and you're on the home screen, you're in the right place. Converting money between currencies inside your Wise account is quick, and the app is designed to show you everything clearly before you commit. Start on the Home tab. If you want to add a balance in a currency you don't have yet, tap New. This is how you create a new currency balance first, so you can convert into it. If you already have the target currency listed among your balances, you can simply select that existing currency instead. Either way, you're telling Wise which currency you'd like to end up with after the conversion. Next, choose the currency you want to add and tap Add. When you're asked where the money should go, select your Wise account. This option keeps the conversion inside your own Wise balances, rather than sending it to someone else. It's perfect when you're just moving funds from, say, dollars to euros within your account so you can spend or hold them there. Now set up the conversion details. Select the current currency you're converting from, the currency you're converting to, and type the amount. Take a moment to confirm you've chosen the correct direction, especially if both currencies look similar in the list. You can enter an exact figure, and the app will instantly show you the converted amount based on the live rate. Make sure you have enough balance in the source currency to cover both the amount and the fee. On this screen, you'll also see the fees you'll be charged. Wise breaks these out clearly, along with the exchange rate being used, so there are no surprises. You'll typically see the mid-market rate and a transparent fee shown separately. Fees can vary by currency and amount, so it's a good idea to glance at them before proceeding. When everything looks right, tap Review and confirm. This final page is your chance to double-check the from currency to currency, amount, rate, and fee. If all the details match what you want, confirm the conversion. The process usually completes almost instantly, and you'll see your updated balances right away, with the new currency available to spend, send, or hold. And that's all there is to it. You started on home, chose new or an existing currency, added it to your Wise account, set the currencies and amount, reviewed the fees, and confirmed. Simple, transparent, and done.